Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play the bass on a stylophone beat. And these will be easy instructions, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a stylophone beat. I got this recently and I've had a blast sort of playing with it and using it. It's a lot of fun and it's really useful for a bunch of different things. But one of the things that you can do with it is play the bass, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So we're going to start off by turning the unit on. Okay, we've powered it on. And now we are going to select the bass option from this knob, or from this lever over here. I called it a knob, but I guess it's more of a lever. But from this thing over here, we're going to select the bass option. The bass option is right over there. So right now it's at the top. I'm just going to bring it down just a little bit, just like that. And we've now selected the bass option. Okay, you can see there's different options there. And now we're going to use the stylus. And when I use the stylus over here, it's going to be playing bass sounds when I touch the pad with the stylus. So you can see there are different things you can do with this over here. If I bring it to the top, it's drums over here. So that's the drum portion. But if you want the bass, you're going to bring it down just one little bit, just like this. And now we're going to be on the bass, like I said. So as you can see, when I'm playing the bass, I'm also changing the octaves. That's just another little tip. I can increase the octave by sliding it across the top two pads to the right over here. So you can hear we've increased the octave, and we can decrease it by going in the top two pads to the left. Very simple. So we can increase it like this. And that's as high as it goes. And then we can decrease it now. And that's obviously as low as it goes. I did it a few times there. But that is how to play the bass. I've shown you and told you the steps for playing the bass and using the bass portion of the stylophone beat. I do have to say a couple last things, so just hold on. I'm not going to end the video just yet. I showed you how to play the bass, but I also showed you how to change the octaves on the bass. But what you can do as well when you're on the bass mode is you can use this over here to change the style. So listen closely. Different sounds. I'm hitting the same pad on the same bass mode, but different sounds. Very simple. Okay, so that's how to do it. You can also, just as a last little piece of advice, you can also, I believe if you hit the play button over here, you're going to be able to also play the bass as well. So when I hit the play button, you can see it's flashing right there. Now I should still be able to play it as far as I know. But I usually do it just regularly without hitting the play button. But it also works, as you can see, when you hit the play button, that's flashing. And then you can bring in the metronome as well by hitting the click button. And now we have the metronome. Very simple. I'm going to turn this off. And we'll get that button, I'll hit that so that, I was going to say the button to stop flashing, but it's the light to stop flashing. But yeah, that's how to play the bass. I tried to keep this video short, sweet, and straight to the point, and I showed you in great detail how to do sort of everything around playing the bass on this unit right here. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, but other than that, I've got nothing else for you. Other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.